Welcome to the TicketHost video on ticket layout. When your ticket buyers complete a purchase, our tickets are typically emailed to them as a PDF attachment with one ticket per A4 page. This video explains the options that are available for you to configure the layout of that ticket. Before we start, it's important to note that although TicketHost recommends the use of emailed tickets, we're also happy to distribute traditional style printed tickets via surface mail. If you'd like to find out more about traditional style tickets, please contact. Another important consideration is that customizing the ticket layout is totally optional. If you don't choose to amend the ticket layout, then your tickets will just be emailed using our default ticket layout. Okay, once you've logged into TicketHost, you'll land at the Organizer control panel. You'll then need to click on the Manage Events link. Select the event that you're dealing with, and then come down and click on the Ticket Layout link. The ticket layout process is made up of two steps. The first step is where the main configuration takes place, and the second step manages any images that are to be included. When the page is first opened, the standard TicketHost layout is displayed. This is the layout that will be used if you make no changes. The standard layout has three sections, with a stub section on the left, a main section in the middle, and a barcode section on the right. If we look at the options available under Layout, you'll see that the first four provide variations of this layout. Effectively, there are two decisions to be made. Do you want to include a logo in the stub section, and do you want to include the barcode section? You can also alter the colour for each of the ticket sections. This can be done by clicking on the colour picker box and selecting your required colour. If you know the hex color code, you can key it directly into the text box. One thing to consider is that some tickets may be printed on a black and white printer, so choosing a dark colour for the background may obscure the text. Okay, now that's truly hideous, so I'll just reset that back to the defaults. In this section, we can configure some of the content that prints on the ticket page. We can choose to include an image in the header section. Just select yes for that. We can also elect to show the contact email address for the event organizer. There are a few other options that can appear here, depending on how the event has been configured. These include dress code, refund policy, and contact phone number. The second step allows you to select any images that are required for your ticket. I've chosen to include a header image and exclude a logo image, so we're only prompted for the header image. Simply select the image and confirm it. If the image has not been previously imported into TicketHost, then you'll need to upload it first. So now we just save our ticket layout, return to the Manage Events page. Here there is an option to view the ticket layout that we've just created. This will generate a sample PDF file similar to what will be emailed to your ticket buyers. If we just open that, you can see that the header image has been included and the ticket layout matches our selections. The organizer email has been included at the bottom. A few final points before we wrap up. Quick note about barcodes. The barcode that we print on the ticket is a valid EAN barcode that can be scanned by virtually all barcode readers. Even if you don't have barcode readers, we recommend that you still consider including the barcode section in your ticket layout. The presence of a barcode on the ticket gives the impression that tickets are going to be scanned or at the very least checked at the point of entry into the event. This can act as a deterrent to anyone considering printing multiple copies of their email ticket and attempting to gain unauthorised entry to an event. Irrespective of barcodes, the ticket serial number is always printed on the ticket, and we recommend that you check these off against our ticket list report to ensure duplicate emissions are not permitted. One final thing to note. You may have noticed that there was a fifth layout option, Custom Built. You should select this option if you don't want to include the stylized ticket in the PDF document. For example, if your event is a business conference or a registration for a triathlon, the concept of an entry ticket is not really appropriate. In those instances, we would generally print a registration style document that would contain the relevant information but not include the stylized ticket. If you're interested in the registration style layout, please select the custom built layout option and contact TicketHost to discuss your requirements. Well, that's about it for ticket layouts. As always, if you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.